My name's Terry Adams, and this is my setup. So first off, my frame is my signature Deco TA frame. This is a prototype. It should be coming out real soon. The forks I'm using are the Odyssey minimal offset forks. For my handlebar, I have my signature hobby bar. It's kind of funny, I named it after my favorite riding spot, the Hobby Lobby. I'm using my signature flatware grips made by Odyssey. They're called the cuff links. The bar ends I'm using are the bar ends that comes with the grips. They're called the par ends. Brake lever I'm using is just Odyssey lever. For the brake cable, I'm using the Odyssey slick cable. These things normally last as long as I leave them on. The brake, I'm using the Odyssey Evo 2 brake. So I have an Odyssey headset, and I'm using a prototype Odyssey stem. It's a 38 millimeter, and you should see this stem coming out pretty soon. My seat, I'm using the Odyssey Senior Pivotal, and it's really nice and comfortable. I actually had Jim Bauer ground out the inside of this thing, and it feels really nice to grab the back of it. My pedals are the Odyssey twisted plastic pedals. I've been running these things for quite a while now, and there's no flex in them and haven't broken them yet, so I'm real psyched on those. I'm using the Flatware 165 cranks. These things are solid, they never come loose, and I have a Flatware 22.2 sprocket. For my tire, I'm using 1.75 Odyssey Frequency G tire. It's designed by Chase Gwynn. I'm running the Odyssey Aerospace rims. They're really comfortable for certain flatland tricks, and a flatware hub that rolls really well. My back wheel is the same as the front, and I just have a free coaster hub back there with some Odyssey spokes. Thanks for checking out my setup. My Deco frame will be available soon, and all my Odyssey parts are available right now at danscomp.com.